What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So this will be the 1 week update for BABA, and you can see that price since for last week Friday is basically in the same spot as it is. It has been pretty neutral. Not much has changed. Price did go up to that EMA this week. Got a little bit rejected from that 101 level, and then price has continued to drop down lower. So overall, it's still looking bearish. Looks like price is still kind of making lower lows, lower highs, still trending down lower. There's a bunch of gaps that can be filled from this uptrend, so those are potential targets. And also the breakout point at $88 level, because that was a prior high. Price broke out of it, so price could be coming back down to test it for support. So those are two potential levels to the downside. And I'm looking for the downside instead of the upside because of this bearish momentum in play. It does not look bullish. We do have earnings report coming up sometime probably in the middle of the next month, so that will definitely be a wild card for the chart. But overall, it still looks like bears are in control and they want to continue to drop down the price. I would be surprised if we just start reversing from where we are right now. There is a minor support that we can find, maybe at the $94 level, but other than that, I mean, it looks like most of this uptrend will be taken out. I'm looking for the $88 level, so that's a good target as of right now. Let's take a look at the weekly charts, see if we can find anything different. Not much. You can see that this week has been red, and most likely it's going to be closing in the red unless we see something drastically change. So that's 4 consecutive red weeks in a row. So you definitely see that the bears have been dominating the chart for the past month now. And you can see that there's a gap over here between these two candles, and that's right around that $88 level as well. So I'm looking for the $88 level. Let's see if price can hold that level. If not, we're going to probably see the bottom side of this yellow range be a target at the lower to mid 70s. Because overall, the macro structure or the dominant technical pattern has been a range. You do see trends inside of the range, but overall, it's been sideways for the past couple of years now, almost past couple of years. So March 2022 is basically where kind of all this started, and we're almost there. Or actually, more than 2 years now, almost 3 years, you could say. So about 2.5 years of sideways trading, and almost 3 years, and not much has changed, in the grand scheme of things. So we'll see what BABA can do, but overall, it looks like we're going to be seeing a little bit more downside, potentially finding support at the high 80s, and we'll go from there. Let's see if it can reverse from there and maybe attack the highs of this range once again at the 120, or fail at that potential support and drop down all the way to the lower 70s. So that's how I'm looking at BABA in the coming weeks. And again, if I see anything change, I'll give you guys an update. But as right now, it looks like it's the same analysis as last week. It's just still bearish, looking for downward targets. Even if we do see a correction higher, unless it's something huge, most likely it's just a, like I said, a counter trend rally for more downside. That's all I have for BABA on the daily weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.